Hi everyone and welcome to in my learning journey, and as you can see that I have come here to see our field. And yeah, you can see that there are lots of field around me, right? Like everywhere lots of field around me, and you can see the green scenery like everywhere, green scenery, right? And I have come here to see our field, like you can see behind me. Yeah, this is our field, and I have come with my mummy, and we have come here to see our field like only for observation, right? And today we will not do any work. We have come here only for observation, right? And yeah, you can see that I am recording myself for spoken English, right? Like I am improving my spoken English, and I do practice, right? Like I am doing practice in front of camera, and I am improving myself to speak in English. Yeah, and I am not that kind of a person, right, who speak in public space. Like guys, you can't imagine that which kind of a person I am. Like I do not speak in public places, right? Like I do not speak with my friends like in front of people. And so I have decided that I will improve my spoken English. And like you can think that why I am not speaking in my native language and why I am not speaking in Hindi. Guys, I can speak in Hindi, right? I can speak in Hindi, but nowadays I am improving my speaking English, and I want to become more confident in this language. Like I want to improve my spoken English as well as I want to become more confident. So that is why I am improving myself, and today I am practicing spoken English here. And like how can I say that what I am feeling right now? Like if I will post this video in social media, in my YouTube, I can't say that what people will think about me. Like my friends, my relative, like they think that I don't speak in public places, right? Like I have never speak in English with anyone. Like I don't speak in English, and even I don't speak in public places. Like you can say that I am a introvert person, right? I am very introvert person. Like I do not speak, I do not share my feelings, and I do not say what I feel. And you know what? In just 2 or 3 days, I learned that how to face camera, right? How to face camera, and how can I say that it is a big improvement for me, right? Like I do not face camera I do not speak in front of camera. Like I do not speak in front of mirror also. But you can see that I am recording myself in front of camera, right? And this is a big improvement for me, right? Like I am feeling a big confident right now. And let me show you that here, yeah, like there my mummy is working. Maybe she is not. Yeah, she is working there. And you can see I am recording here, and I am not helping her. But we have not here to do any work. We have come here only for observation. And guys, you will see after some days that I will come here again to do work. Like you can see I am a daughter of farmer, right? And here in village side we do all work, like fielding work. And in my home I will do any work. Like I can do any work. And don't judge me that I am don't judge me with my personality. Like I am very thin person. No, I am physically fit, and my physically strength is very high. Like I can do any work. I can do any work in field. Like I will show you after some days that I can do this field work, right? And this work is, guys, this field is too far away from our home. Like it takes more than half hour, right, like, and you can see that there are lots of field, yeah, right? And I hope you are learning with me. And now I think I should go, right? And now I am going to help my mother, and I will see you in the next video, right, after some days in the same place, right? And so this is enough for that, and keep learning, guys, and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.